Unlock your artistic potential with free. Learn how to draw books. Are you ready to take your drawing skills to the next level? Do you want to learn how to draw landscape scenes, animals, dragons, and more? Well, you're in luck, because we've got an exciting offer for you. In this video, we'll show you how to get your hands on free learn how to draw books that will unlock your artistic potential. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a teacher, or a student, or anybody else, these books are a goldmine of creativity. Are you searching for books on how to draw for free? Look no further. With Amazon Kindle Unlimited, you can access a treasure trove of art resources. And guess what? You can try it out for free for 30 days. It's easy to join, and they are giving you 1 month for free. That's right, 30 days of unlimited access to a vast collection of art books at your fingertips. Let's take a peek at some of the incredible book titles waiting for you. Learn how to draw landscape scenes step by step with Landscapes with William F. Powell. Capture the beauty of nature like never before. Discover the secrets of how to draw animals with precision and realism. From basic shapes to drawing lifelike portraits, we've got you covered. And for those who dream of drawing mythical creatures, learn how to draw fantastic fire-breathing dragons, and yes, it's free. Ready to get started on your artistic journey? Grab your paper and pencils, and don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Click the link below and sign up now. You can be improving your pencil drawing in no time. Don't miss out on 1 month of free learn to draw books. No one else is offering you this incredible deal. So why wait? Instead of paying for books, why not grab something for free from Amazon and join Kindle Unlimited? Be part of the artistic revolution today. Get your 1 month of free books and get busy with what you love, drawing and creating. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to access a world of creativity at zero cost. Click the link below, sign up now, and let your artistic journey begin. Click the link below to start your artistic journey today. Get your free 1 month of unlimited inspiration. Join now, and let your imagination run wild. Get your 1 month of free books, and get ready to create amazing art. Don't wait, act now, and embrace the world of art at no cost to you. Start your journey today with free Learn Pencil Drawing books. Don't be the one that misses out. Click the link below now. Thank you for watching.